Hello, this is Todd Schultz, and this is my EDL Module 3, Equity and Citizenship Advocate for District Administration. This is something that I wanted to broadly define first: equity, quality of being fair and impartial; digital citizen, the responsible use of technology. Both of these things need to come together in the educational setting in a district, and they have to be ensured that we are implementing them K through 12 every day of the school year and make sure that they're employed at the same time. When I walk into a classroom and I want to see a tech-savvy teacher, what should they be using? They should be using video communications, Zoom, Teams, Skype, WebEx, online subscriptions for databases, educational resources, as well as free online curriculum, such as digital libraries, field trips, and online lessons. When I think about a connected student, I'm going to think very much about what they're capable of, what we want them to know, and what we allow them to use within our buildings. It has to be a programmatic approach, district-wide priority. It's going to advocate on behalf of the student body so they can ensure, model, and cultivate that community within themselves, as well as be able to take some initiative for planning all the way through connecting their technology education and tying it to their learning. When I think about a digital citizenship for my students in the district and the staff in the district, I want them to be able to see that these words are crucial. They can recognize, cultivate, they can engage each other, they can manage one another and themselves, and they can demonstrate their understanding and respect for the technology that we have in the district. That is a well-rounded digital citizen in my district. When we model digital citizenship as staff and adults, I want to make sure that we're discussing the impact, privacy, safety of using technology, that we're collaborating with other teams and teachers and coaches, counselors, parents, and community. I want to make sure that the students know that there's a real impact for them in their daily lives through record keeping, and also that the teachers and administrators are using it appropriately on the school grounds. Cultivating responsible online behavior starts with becoming and beginning something anew, feeling a sense of belonging and inclusion in a community, and also being capable to integrate that into their learning and make critical thinking decisions. Modeling this expectation in and out of the classroom all throughout the school year, and also using this as a hybrid approach, the analog teaching of books and lessons and slides along with the digital approach of the students' learning. That is what a digital citizen and advocate looks like in my district. Thank you.